Hello. Today I'm going to teach you about put and take. And put and take is a fun work that toddlers like to do. It's like something like this, where they put things in and then they take things out, and they can do it over and over and over again. Toddlers really like to put things in or find holes that things can fit in. Our radiator at school is full of objects that can fit into the tiny slots on top of the radiator. So sometimes we have to be sometimes that goes in waves, and we have to really be careful with the works that we put out. But so this is a commercially made put and take work. It's a very common one, but what you can do at home is you can use household objects to make a put and take. One we have at school is a honey bear. We washed out the honey bear, and then we cut shish kebab skewers, like the little bamboo sticks, into the correct size and cut off, of course, the sharp ends. And then the kids can put the shish kebab skewers into the little hole that's on top of the little honey bear's head. They like that one a lot. Another one that we haven't put it out for a long time, but last time when we put it out, they really liked it, is you can just use a plastic like takeout container and cut a little slit in the top, and then use it as a piggy bank. And they can put the coins in and take them out, and they really love it. So this kind of work, it helps them to have like to use a steady hand. So it works on their fine motor skills. It works on their pincher grasp if you use small objects like coins. It helps them with opening and shutting. So they have to be able to open something and shut it. And then it also, if you use coins, you could talk also about the names of the coins. I'm not going to be talking about the names of the coins because it's a little bit hard to see on the screen which coin I have, since I don't have a really great quality screen. So basically all you do when you cut your slit, you just make sure that it is pretty thin and narrow, make it just big enough for a quarter to go in. And then, because you don't want it to be too wide, otherwise they'll just put tons of coins in at the same time. And you want it to be a little bit harder. So then they just put the coins in and take them back out. And it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you have any great ideas of objects that you used to do a put and take work, then please share with us, and we can pass that information along or share with each other. So thank you so much. We hope you're having a great day and enjoying the weather. Talk to you later. Bye.